amongst us Mr. Dale Lee Jarvis, Assistant Director, International Partnership and Strategic Alliance, UK, and Mr. Abhishek Dutt, who is the Country Coordinator of Birmingham City University, UK. They are here to visit our university and have an interaction with our dear students. Today is a big day for our university when Chandigarh University will be signing MOU with Birmingham City, UK. Let's have an interaction with them and know what they have to say. Thank you. As for the MOU signed today, what are the various areas of benefit that the Chandigarh University students will be getting?
Well, certainly the benefit will be, it won't just be for the students, it will certainly be for the university as a whole, so there will be the academics. The idea is that for the benefit for the students will be that we will have visiting scholars coming here to add to the quality that's already at Chandigarh University. We'll add more of an international flavour, a Western flavour. The students will have the opportunity to be able to come to visit the university, not just for a whole year, but for a sort of a short period of time, for a number of weeks. So it helps them get international exposure, but at the same time, it helps them with their own CV, their own curriculum vitae, to make it much more international, so they're more attractive to employers. They can also get exposure to some of the jobs and some of the industry in the UK.
Sir, basically, what is the education system difference do you find between UK university and Indian universities?
Well, certainly there's a very big difference with regards to the size of the universities and the size of the teaching. Certainly, I think it's quite standard in India to have maybe 100, 150 people, particularly in a room together. You tend to find that the teaching style in the UK is slightly smaller. Basically, that's a very commonality because of the size of the two different countries, and it's going to be very, very different in that regard. I have to say, Indian education is making huge advances towards being sort of world-renowned universities, certainly over the last 5 years. We've seen a huge development and a huge advancement in the number of universities being in the sort of top 500. So it clearly shows that India is definitely going in the right direction.
In terms of Indian partnerships, we are certainly looking for partnerships, but however, what we have in place is we are looking for a very fewer number at the moment, because we are not going in for a bulk of MOUs or partnerships at the moment, because we would rather focus to have particularly regional kind of partners across Indian regions, across north, south, west, central, east, wherein we have full focus and strategic partnerships wherein we can provide one place for all the relevant areas, expertise, and wherever we could provide in best support out of the UK resources as well. Well, yeah, you can also speak on. We have recently signed an MOU with the Chandigarh University to initiate the touch of flavor, basically for students studying in here in all streams, wherein they can always come to the UK with their experience of having 3 weeks accommodation, food, local transportation, London and Oxford sightseeing, so that they can actually feel the studying in UK rather than spending a whole year in the first case. And actually, I think that will be a really beneficial start for the students, Dale, I think. Absolutely. For the students.
The learning and the teaching to all the students. So I hope this is the start of a very, very long road that the two universities are basically walking together over a long number of years.
Definitely. Thanks for your time, spending your time for us. Thanks a lot for this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.